हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो। तो आज हम टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न बेसिकली अबाउट द वर्ड राम। मतलब क्या है ये राम? बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी symbolic and it is a very it has a very deep meaning in our Hindu Sanatan philosophy. So let's understand what Ram indeed carries. What is the layers of meaning that this word Ram carries? Okay, so let's unpack from multiple perspectives, including scientific, esoteric, and linguistic or spiritual dimensions. So first, let's understand its meaning. So in Sanskrit, basically, if you break the word Ram into two words, Ra and Ma, then Ra is equal to light, radiance, fire, energy, or divine consciousness, which means Ra. And Ma is mind or the individual's soul, Jiva. So Ram symbolically means the light or divine that resides in the mind or within us. Basically, in essence, it's just not a name, it's a vibration of divine presence within consciousness. Now let's take a scientific look, sound and vibrational physics of the word Ram. The ancient seers of Bharat were deeply aware of sound as energy. They knew that sound is energy. And Ram is a Bij mantra, sonic frequency that has an effect on the body and the mind. Basically, in the energy works like the Kundalini yoga, chanting Ram is said to activate and balance the Manipura chakra, the solar plexus chakra, the center of personal power and digestion. Also, the willpower to do anything comes from this Manipura chakra, which is activated by the word Ram. If you say Ram, you can feel something just 4 fingers above your navel. You will feel the vibrational energy of Ram there. 4 fingers above your navel. Touch it with a finger. Just touch the place on your body with the finger and say Ram. You'll feel the vibrational senses in just above the navel. Modern studies in neuroplasticity and mantra chanting shows that repetitive sound reorganizes neural pathways, regulates heartbeat and reduces anxiety. इसीलिए वो कहते हैं, see, these are now proved in modern studies in neuroplasticity that when you are chanting the mantra Ram, all the neural pathways are reorganized because of the vibration of the word Ram. So basically, what happens when you chant Ram? Your nervous system starts to reorganize. You get mental clarity. Your left and right brain is balanced, and energy flows through the chakra system. Because Manipura chakra is the central energy chakra which distributes energy throughout your body. Now let us understand the hidden or esoteric meaning. So many yogis and tantrics interpret Ram as a universal code. Universal code of what? R is equal to moment, energy and vibration. A is equal to creation, beginning. This is the same A in Om. A is creation and beginning, and M is dissolution or absorption, symboling of the silent M in Om. So Ram basically is equal to energy plus creation plus absorption is equal to Ram. Energy plus creation plus absorption. So a complete cycle of creation pointing to Brahman, the absolute reality, is equal to Ram. In Ramayana also, Lord Ram symbolizes dharma in action. Who is Ram? Ram is the epitome of a Purush following his dharma. So basically, you can see Ram as a form of a human being who is in the cosmic order. You can see Ram as a dharma in action. He is the epitome of dharma, Ram, and you can see that in action how he is the perfect man or the Maryada Purushottam, showing that every divine energy accepts limitation for the sake of harmony. If we see in this view, then Ram isn't just a person. It's consciousness choosing form. Consciousness is choosing a form of Ram to play the game of life. And how to play the game of life according to the dharma, Ram portrays that. This is very, very deep encoded information. It's not कि हाँ राम है तो हम राम को राम की, बट राम क्यों? बिकॉज राम राम बोलने से भी एक फ्रीक्वेंसी, तुम्हारी जो बॉडी की इंटरनल फ्रीक्वेंसी है उसको, अभी इसका राम का अगर मॉडर्न मेटाफिजिकल लेंस से देखेंगे तो वर्ड राम रिप्रेजेंट्स अ स्टेबल फ्रीक्वेंसी. चैंटिंग इट creates coherence in the energy field of the body, and this matches with heart brain synchronization studies where coherent vibration can align you with the universe. So quantum physics, जो basically there is a study of heart brain synchronization, this study also suggests that the word Ram aligns you with the universe. So in essence, basically Ram becomes a cosmic password, a frequency key that tunes you into the divine signal of order, will, and truth. When you chant or remember Ram, you are invoking order in chaos. You are harmonizing your will with the cosmic will, and you are burning impurities in the fire of truthful action. That's why Tulsidas said, without the name of Ram, no soul can cross the ocean of existence. So this one word can center your thoughts, align your energy, and bring you home to yourself. Ram is not outside, Ram is within you. Chant it, feel it, be it. Jai Shri Ram.